Hi guys, what's up, it's your girl Charlotte from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy mixed spice recipe, homemade spice blend that is so easy to make. I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some cinnamon, some ground coriander, nutmeg, caraway seeds. If you can get the ground caraway instead, then use that, but I'm not able to get it where I am, or at least it's not that easy for me to obtain, so I'm using caraway seeds instead. You're also going to need some ginger, allspice, also known as pimento, and some cloves. So I have my spice grinder here, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add all of those ingredients to my spice blender. So I do this, the reason why I do this, one, because I'm using caraway seeds, but even if I was using pre-grounded spices, I would do that anyway. And the reason why I do it is I feel that when you put it through a grinder or a blender, it just melds together. The flavors meld a lot better than just putting it in a jar and shaking it. So this is the reason why I like to do this, even though I am using seeds. But you don't have to. If you don't want to, or if you don't have a spice grinder, then you can just shake it in a jar and use it. So once I add all of those ingredients, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to blitz it to a smooth consistency and show you guys what it looks like. So now I'm just going to take the lid off, and I'm going to grab a spoon and show you guys what the consistency should look like. It's really nice and smooth. So now that the spice blend is ready, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a glass jar, and I'm just going to transfer the contents into a glass jar. And that's how you make mixed spice, a really simple recipe. The next time a recipe calls for mixed spice, you'll know exactly how to make it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.